Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the AI logo maker and the designs.ai website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the designs.ai website and then we have to create our account. And after account creation, we have to open this in a new link. So as you can see, as a logo maker option. So we have to open this in a new link. And after that, we have to follow this link. As you can see, now we have to wait for a few seconds. Now what we have to do, we have to enter our company name here. For example, I'm going to write the company name like freelance S here, and then we have to click on the get started, and now we have to choose like the icon option here, and then you have to choose the which type of you want. For example, I want the icon, and we have to choose the industry here. For example, I'm going to choose like the science and technology here, and then we have to click on the next freelance S. If you have a solo gun, you have to enter that, and then we have to click on the next again. As you can see, choose up to 5 from the lines below. We will combine your preference. For example, I'm going to choose like this one here, and like this one and this one. We have to choose any kind of 5 ones like this one, and then we have to choose again like this one. And now let's click on the next. As you can see, now you will be able to see the different types of design, different types of coloring here. Now we have to choose the coloring. For example, this one here, and now we have to choose like this one and this one here. And if you have a different color modes like this one and this one, now we have to click on the next here. So as you can see, so now what we have to do, we have to choose the icon, which type of icons we want to add. For example, you want to add this icon, so you have to choose that. And if you want to add this one, you can also do that. And I'm going to choose like this one and this one. And as you can see, let's choose some other designs, this one, and then we have to click on the next again. And after that, as you can see, choose up to 5 best propositions. As you can see, now it's generating design, it's analyzing. We have to wait 50 seconds again. So as you can see, logo designs are here. As you can see, now these all type of logos are here. Now you have to choose it which one you want to use, and after that you will be able to use that. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use the logo maker. So see you guys in the next video.